I am Joan Tuck, Professor of Information Technology at Southside Virginia Community College. So I have been teaching for many years, and I have used quite a few platforms and publishers over the years. But when I started using uCertify, I found an excellent product that was up to date and had lots of courses that were available that we needed in our information technology program here at the community college. The courses are reasonably priced for students, and I've had a very positive experience with the material that is covered within those courses and matching those courses up with our course objectives, as well as matching them up with the certification exams that we give for industry. Most of those are CompTIA exams. So I will say from an instructor standpoint, it meets all of our goals when we are choosing curriculum, but we also have a very easy user interface to use as an instructor. It's very easy to set up. It is easy to customize, and it syncs automatically with our LMS, which is Canvas at our college. And we also have the tools built into the uCertify program that we can use to track student progress. And we have lots of customizations that we can use. For example, a quiz could be given in a learn mode, or it could be given in a test mode. So as an instructor, this product is remarkable. And we have been very happy with the courses that we have chosen from uCertify, as well as just how up to date they are and how they are easily aligned with our course objectives and the CompTIA certification exams that we give in our technical courses. Well, I believe that just the ability to build the deep links into our Canvas modules is probably one of the most important features of uCertify that's helpful in managing our course, so that the grades are automatically in the Canvas gradebook when students finish assignments. But I would also just basically say that it's so easy to track student performance at a very granular level if we need to do that, especially students who are preparing for certification exams and maybe want some input on what they can do differently if they have not been successful. Well, there is a detailed breakdown. And when you go to the uCertify progress reports there, it can really give you a sense of the types of questions that students are not being successful with, and it can help the instructor figure out what they need to teach or reteach or review. And it can also just help track, the students can really track their progress, and they can see whether they're getting behind or whether they're on target to finish the course. Most of our courses here at the college are about 16 weeks. And so we can set those dates, the start and the ending date, and it will keep the student on target. And I think that's been very helpful as well. So our students really benefit from, I think, the interactive lessons. So that includes an ebook, but it also includes so many other tools built into that for their learning processes. And the instructor can use those in different ways. But another really important feature for the instructors that benefits the students are the hands-on virtual labs. So, limited resources at a community college doesn't allow us to have all of the tools to set up labs for so many different courses, whether it's a hardware course or an operating systems course, a networking course, a server course, a security course. But they are so realistic in uCertify, and they're built in, and the instructor can choose which ones we want to use. So it's very helpful as far as students benefiting and learning from the uCertify products to have those interactive lessons and the hands-on labs. So I think those are a couple of the features that I'd like to highlight. And also, I would like to mention the mobile app, which is fabulous for students. So they don't always have to be sitting in front of a computer to go through and review flashcards or to study or to complete a reading or maybe take a practice test. They can do that on the mobile app. It's been very easy. On the instructor side, it's a very easy setup process for sections for your semester. It's very easy to customize, and it's once you have been trained to do so, it's very easy to import that course into your learning management system. And uCertify gives you that one-on-one training to help you learn how to do that. And that's very helpful. So I would say it's very easy. And again, the support is available if instructors need that to get set up. Well, as I'm going through the topics in a course that I'm teaching, if I'm using uCertify, there are PowerPoint presentations that have been created for each chapter or module or topic. And those are easy to download and then modify if you need to do that. So the PowerPoint presentations are very helpful. As I said, the one-on-one training that uCertify personnel provide with instructors is very helpful. There's also a syllabus that's provided. And I guess the most important thing is that uCertify will give instructors free access to courses for them to review to see if they will meet the needs of whatever courses are being taught. And so for example, when a new CompTIA exam comes out, as soon as the new uCertify course is available, it will be sent to instructors to start reviewing the new course for the new CompTIA exam that's been released. And so that's been very helpful to have access to that and from the instructor side and to be able to review those courses. I absolutely would recommend uCertify to other instructors. And as I've said, I have very often um, previewed or used other platforms and other publishers' materials over the years. I've been teaching for quite a long time. And I feel like uCertify is one of the gold standards for our information technology technical courses. I do recommend it. It's very up to date. It prepares students again for industry certification exams. And another thing that's built in are the practice tests for the certification exams, as well as a pre-assessment that can be used at the beginning of the course and a post-assessment at the end, which could also be used for your college assessment reports or accreditation purposes to see the learning that students have in a course. So I definitely recommend it, and I've been very pleased with it over the past few years that I've used it, and I would definitely recommend it to other instructors.